The Natural Aided Language Board is a visual support tool for helping a student learn to communicate high priority words and frequently needed extended vocabulary. It is a tool to help parents, siblings, teachers, therapists, and assistants as they model and prompt vocabulary for the student using sequenced versions of Unity 45, Unity 60, Unity 84, and Unity 144. It is also available for LAMP Words for Life 84 Full. Plus, there is a version with words only to which you can add your own pictures for whatever AAC vocabulary program you are using. On the CD, there are instructions for making the wall chart and constructing the booklet. Here are 10 tips for using a natural aided language board. Use a natural aided language board as a vocabulary reminder and dictionary. By placing copies in the home, classroom, and therapy room, it reminds people to focus on the target vocabulary. As a visual dictionary, any teaching team member can assist the student to say one of the high priority and frequently needed extended vocabulary words. Use a natural aided language board as a visual reminder of the pattern for saying parts of speech and morphological variations. Team members without formal training will feel more confident helping the student say words by just copying the pattern as shown on the board. Use a natural aided language board as a tracking system for recording vocabulary used by the student. Keep a black and white copy in the file of the words only board and tick off vocabulary used by the student. Use a natural aided language board to document customized words and vocabulary additions. Add changes to the board and e-file. Use a natural aided language board for language modeling and aided language stimulation. Point at words and word endings on the chart while verbally saying the words. Model slowly enough for the student to visually follow the model. Use a natural aided language board during classroom lessons. For example, a lesson on the human body needs words for body parts, many which are on the board. Other words will not be on the board, but may be in the memory of the vocabulary program. Define key concepts in the lesson with words already on the board. When you use words from the board to define lesson concepts, you are guaranteed that the student has a chance of being able to participate in the lesson and give answers. Use a natural aided language board to create a word bank. For the student working on science, this word bank has words to describe different senses, plus some distractors. Use a natural aided language board as a sentence building tool. Have the student practice multiple word utterances using words from the different colored word groups. Use a natural aided language board to prompt morphology, such as verb endings. For example, select a verb like break and model the endings on the natural aided language board, saying each word as you model it. Then, say the words with the device. The same thing can be done with adjectives and nouns. English and language art teachers have used the board with all students to help them with grammar lessons. And teachers of English as a second language have used the board to help students with syntax and morphology. Finally, use a natural aided language board as a backup system to a device or app. Most people use the booklet format for this purpose because of its portability. The Natural Aided Language Board CD is available from Gail Van Tatenhove. Ordering information is at www.vantatenhove.com. Thank you.